Good morning everybody, I am Lokesh Kumar, English teacher. I hope you are all safe at your home and watching the videos and practicing the worksheets regularly. And the previous sessions we discussed about digraphs, vowels and consonants and question forms. Now in the today's topic we will discuss about very important and interesting topic, active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. First, what is active voice? In the active voice, in a sentence, if it is active, action is done by the subject and that action reflects or results impact on the object. And in the passive voice, subject will be affected by the result or action done by the object. Means, for example, if we are having one sentence, J.J. Thomson discovered electron, and in the second sentence, electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. What is the difference between these two sentences? In meaning, there is no difference. There is no change. The meaning of the two sentences is same. J.J. Thomson discovered electron and electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. But in the first sentence, we are speaking about J.J. Thomson and he discovered, means because of his experiments, as a result, electron was invented or discovered by J.J. Thomson. Means the action is done by the J.J. Thomson in this sentence. Because of that action, he can able to discover electron. But in the second sentence, electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Means electron here is the subject. We are speaking about electron and electron is the subject here, and from the point of view of electron, electron was discovered, means electron is not doing any action. The action is done by the object J.J. Thomson. Because of that action, this electron was discovered, but here electron is the subject, so we have to use electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. And how we can able to identify which is active voice and which is in passive voice? When we are going to pick up active voice and passive voice, first we have to look at that subject is an agent or not. If subject is an agent, then it is active voice. Agent means Who is doing action? If subject is doing the action, that is active voice. If subject is not doing any action and action is done by the object and that action reflects on or because of that action, it was reflects, that is called passive voice. Means in simple sentence, in active voice, subject is the doer, object is the sufferer. And in passive voice, subject is the sufferer and object is the doer. This is the simple logic to identify active voice and passive voice. Now we will go through with the structures of active voice and passive voice in different forms of tenses. Structure of active voice and passive voice in simple present. In simple present. What is the structure of active voice and passive voice in simple present? Subject plus V1 plus, in simple present we have to use in active voice V1 only. V1 plus S or ES plus and object. Directly object will comes. Example is, he reads a novel. He reads a novel. And the structure of passive voice, in the passive voice, the object of the active voice will become here the subject. So I will write here object only. To understand you people better, I will use object here only. Whatever comes first, it will be known as subject. But in passive voice, what is the object in active voice? It will become subject. So I will here use object only to make you understand better. Here first it will become object plus is or am or are. Why? Because it is in present and is for singular and am for when the object or subject is I and are for plural plus after V3 by will come, by plus subject. What is the object here? A novel. A novel. Is, why? Because it is singular, so we have to use is. V3. What is the V3 of reads? Read, read, read. Spelling is same but pronunciation is different. Read, read, read. A novel is read by who? He, him. A novel is read by him. If you write up to novel is read, it is also enough. Why? Because third person singular, no need to mention. A novel is read. If you write up to a novel is read, it is also okay. But if you want to mention, it is also okay. A novel is read by him. Now, in the same simple present in the negative form. This is first one. Second one, in the simple present negative sentence, subject plus, it is in simple present, so we have to use do or does plus not plus V1 plus object. Subject plus do or does plus not plus V1 plus object. Example, he does not cook food. He does not cook food. Now, coming to the passive voice. What is this? Passive voice. What is this? This is active voice. And this is passive voice. The structure for the negative sentence of passive voice in simple present, object plus is or am or are plus not plus by V3 plus by plus object. Object plus is, am, or plus not plus V3 plus by object. Example, here what is the object? Food. It will become here subject. Food is not V3. What is the V3 of cook? Cook, cooked, cooked. So we have to use cooked. By he, him. By him. Food is and negative sense not V3 cooked by him. Food is not cooked by him. Like this we can able to convert the active voice sentences to the passive voice in simple present. Now we will discuss another simple present continuous form. Now the structure of active and passive voice in present continuous. Present continuous. The structure of active voice. Subject plus, it is present tense, so we have to use is or am or are plus V1 plus, here continuous, what is the form? ing. V1 plus ing plus object, subject plus is or am or are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Isha, example, is singing a song. Isha is singing a song. Isha subject is V1 sing plus ing, singing a song. Now the structure of the passive voice in present continuous, object plus is or am or are plus object plus is or am or are plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Here what is the object? A song. Example, a song is now being, and what is the V3 form of sing? Sing, sang, sung. So we have to write sung. A song is being sung by, what is the subject here? Isha. By Isha. A song is being sung by Isha. Now, the same sentence in the negative form in the present continuous. The structure of negative sentence in active voice in present continuous, subject plus is or am or are plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Subject plus is or am or are plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Here example, Kritika is not V1 chop ing chopping. Kritika is not chopping vegetables. Kritika is not chopping vegetables. Now, the structure of this negative sense in the passive voice. Here, object plus is or am or are. Object plus is or am or are plus, it is negative, so we have to use not plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Here what is the object? Vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables is a plural word. So we have to use here are. Vegetables are not being, vegetables are not being, what is the V3 form of chop? Chop, chopped, chopped. Vegetables are not being chopped by, what is the subject? Kritika. Vegetables are not being chopped by Kritika. Like this, in the present continuous, we can able to convert the active voice into passive voice. Now, we will discuss about present perfect. Now, the structure of active and passive voice in present perfect. Present perfect. First, the structure of active voice in present perfect. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Example, Nitesh has challenged her. Nitesh has challenged her. The structure of present perfect in passive voice. Object plus has or have plus been. In present perfect we have to use been. Object plus has or have plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Object plus has or have plus been plus V3 by subject. What is the object? Her. So, in the example, we have to use she has been. She has been. What is the here? Also V3, so here also V3, no change, challenged. She has been challenged by whom? What is the subject? Nitesh. She has been challenged by Nitesh. Like this, we have to convert this. Now, the negative sentence in active voice in present perfect. What is the structure? Subject plus has or have plus not plus V3 plus object. It is negative, so we have to use here not. Example, Radhika has not written. Radhika not written an article. Radhika not written an article. Now coming to the passive voice, object plus has or have plus not plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object and article? It will become here subject, so we have to write object and article has not been written by, what is the subject? Radhika. An article has not been written by Radhika. Like this, we can able to convert or change the present perfect sentences from active voice to passive voice. Now, we will discuss about simple past. Now, simple past. Now, the simple past. The structure of active voice in simple past, subject plus, it is past, so we have to use V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. Example, Reema, example, Reema cleaned the floor. Reema cleaned the floor. Now the structure of passive voice in simple past, object plus was plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object? In example, the floor. The floor was, what is the V3 form of cleaned? Cleaned only. Clean, clean, clean. The floor was cleaned by Reema. The floor was cleaned by Reema. This is the passive one. Now, the negative sentence in the simple past. The negative sentence in the active voice in the simple past, subject plus did plus not plus V1. In the past, why we should use here V1? Here we are using past form of the verb, helping verb or auxiliary verb, did. So, the main verb should be in V1 position. Subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. Subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. Example, Ritvik did not buy a bicycle. Ritvik did not buy a bicycle. Now, the passive voice structure for this negative sentence. Subject plus object plus was or were plus not plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object? Bicycle, a bicycle. Example. A bicycle was not. What is the V3 form of buy? Buy, bought. Was not bought by Ritvik. A bicycle was not bought by Ritvik. Like this, we can able to convert the simple past sentences from active voice to the passive voice. Now, past continues. Now, the past continuous. The structure for active voice in past continuous, subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing. ing for continuous. Subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example, Nikita was painting the wall. Nikita was painting the wall. What is the structure of passive voice for this sentence? Object plus was or were plus being. Why? Because it is in continuous. So, being plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object in this example? The wall. The wall was being. What is the V3 form of paint? Painted. So the wall was being painted by Nikita. The wall was being painted by Nikita. Now coming to the negative sense or negative word in the past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Subject plus was or were plus not negative, so we have to use not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example, Rama was not playing cricket. Rama was not playing cricket. The structure of passive voice for this: object plus was or were plus not plus being. Object plus was or were plus not plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object in this sentence? Cricket. Cricket was not being. The V3, what is the V3 form of play? Play, played, played. So played. Cricket was not being played by whom? Rama. Rama is the subject. Cricket was not being played by Rama. Like this, we can able to convert the past continuous words in active voice to the passive voice. Now, we will discuss about past perfect. Now, the structure of active voice in past perfect: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Example is Misha had cleaned the floor. Misha had cleaned the floor. The structure of passive voice for past perfect is object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object here? The floor. Had been. V3 form is cleaned only, so cleaned by. What is the subject? Misha. The floor had been cleaned by Misha. Now, the negative form of past perfect, the structure for negative form of active voice in past perfect, subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus object. Nitesh had not received. Nitish had not received the parcel. Nitish had not received the parcel. Now the structure of passive voice for this negative sentence or negative form, object plus had plus not plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object here? The parcel. The parcel had not been received by Nitish. The parcel had not been received by Nitish. Like this, we can able to change the sentence of past perfect from active voice to the passive voice. Now, the active and passive voice in simple future. Simple future. The structure of active voice in simple future is subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Example is Kriya will stitch the bag. Kriya will stitch the bag. Now the passive voice structure for this simple future sentence. Object plus will plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Object plus will plus be, because it is future, so be V3 and by plus subject. What is the object? The bag. The bag will be stitched by the bag will be stitched by Kriya. The bag will be stitched by Kriya. Now the negative sentence in the simple future. Subject plus will plus not plus V1 plus object. Subject plus will plus not plus V1 plus object. Example, Kriya will not arrange the Kriya will not arrange the things. Kriya will not arrange the things. Now the structure for this negative sentence in passive voice. Object plus will plus not plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Object plus will plus not plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object? The things. The things will not be, the things will not be arranged. The things will not be arranged by Kriya. The things will not be arranged by Kriya. Like this, we can able to convert the simple future sentences from active voice to the passive voice. Now we will discuss with another thing. Now the structure of active and passive voice in future perfect. Future perfect. First, the structure of active voice in future perfect. Subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. Example, they will have bought the toy. They will have bought the toy. Now the structure of passive voice in future perfect. Object plus will plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. Object plus will plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object here in this example? The toy. The toy will have been bought. The toy will have been bought by them. The toy will have been bought by them. Now, coming to the negative sentence in the future perfect. The structure of active voice for the negative sentence: subject plus will plus not plus have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus V3 plus object. Example: Ramesh will not have changed. Ramesh will not have changed the table cover. Table cover. Ramesh will not have changed the table cover. Now, the structure for this sentence, negative sentence in passive voice is object plus will plus not plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. What is the object? The table cover. The table cover will not have been, the table cover will not have been changed by Ramesh. The table cover will not have been changed by Ramesh. Like this, we can able to change the sentences in active voice to the passive voice in the various tenses. And I hope you understand. And one thing we have to remember, in active voice, we are using verb in the form of V1, V2, V3. But if you observe in passive voice, in all the tenses or all the forms, we are using only V3 form of verb in passive voice. But in active voice, we are using V1, V2, V3 also. But in passive voice, we are using only V3 form of verb. I hope you understand very well about active voice and passive voice. Okay, students, we will send worksheets also along with this video. Watch the video and do the worksheets. Okay, thank you.